In this video, I will show you how to get stretched res on Valorant. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what you're going to want to do first from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, and in the search box you want to go ahead and type Device Manager. Then go ahead and open up Device Manager, which should come up underneath Best Match. Once you've got your Device Manager opened, what you want to do is locate monitors and click onto the small arrow next to monitors. Now what you need to do is actually disable all your monitors first of all. So to do that, right click onto each monitor and then come down and select disable device. So you want to do this for however many monitors you have, whether you've just got one or two or three, but make sure you do disable all monitors. Once you've done that, go ahead and close down Device Manager, and what you can then do is right click anywhere on a blank space on your desktop, and on this menu that comes up, come down and click on Show More Options. Then what you want to do is click onto NVIDIA Control Panel and just give that a minute for the NVIDIA Control Panel to load through. Once you've got your NVIDIA Control Panel opened, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side and click onto Change Resolution. Then what you need to do is scroll down on this screen here to the bottom on this resolution section, and you're going to see a button which says Customize. So what you want to do is give that a click, and once you've done that, what you want to do is click onto the Create Custom Resolution button. Now what that's going to do is open a window like this, and what you want to do is come to the horizontal pixels box up here and change this to 1568. What you can then do is go ahead and click onto test. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do that. And once you've done that, you should now see this showing up under custom. So you want to make sure this one is ticked now, the one we've just created, 1568 by 1440, and then come down and click OK. Finally, what you want to do is come and click onto adjust desktop size and position, and make sure this is selected to full screen. So it might say no scaling, click onto full screen and make sure to click apply, and then click yes to confirm. Once that's done, come back to change resolution, and what you then want to do is make sure you've selected your custom resolution from here, which is going to be at the top of the list, this one here. Click apply, and after a second or two, what it's going to do is apply the settings. As you can see, it's now in a stretched resolution. So just make sure to click yes to apply, and what we can then do is close this all down. Once you've done that, what you can do is go ahead and launch Valorant on your PC. So here we are, as you can see, in game in Valorant, and as you can see, this is what it looks like with a true stretched res. So that is how to get stretched res in Valorant. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.